This video is about the top 5 benefits of miracle juice.
What? A juice that does miracle?
Yes, miracle juice is also known as ABC juice. It's apple plus beetroot plus carrot. These 3 fruits are the major ingredients of the miracle juice, or ABC juice. But is that the complete recipe? No. And this video is not about how to prepare, but the hidden truth. It's all about the fact benefits. Don't worry. Let us know in the comment section if you wanted to know how to prepare the miracle juice. Now let's jump on to its benefits. Benefit number 1. Delays the aging process. The goodness of vitamins A, B complex, C, E and K help you look and feel younger than you really are. The dietary fibers and minerals also help improve basic bodily functions and rejuvenate the body and its vital organs. Benefit number 2, fights against cancer. Cancer is a disease that results in an uncontrollable growth of cells. There isn't any real proof of the miracle drink being able to cure cancer. However, it has been able to slow down the growth of cancerous cells. There was a case of a patient recovering from lung cancer after being instructed by a Chinese herbalist to drink the miracle juice. But the effectiveness of this precious elixir depends on the stage of cancer you are at. The main ingredient of this juice that fights cancer is beetroot. Benefit 3. Boosts the brain. This nutrition-enriched drink is capable of enhancing nerve connections for faster response. It also improves a person's attention span, memory and concentration levels. Benefit 4, improves vision. Your eyes experience a lot of stress and strain all day, especially if your work involves the use of computers. Drinking a glass full of this wondrous juice will provide your body with vitamin A, which is essential for enhancing vision. Benefit number 5, helps in weight loss. Miracle drink for weight loss? Yes. This miracle drink is a great addition to your weight loss diet. It has a limited amount of calories and is refreshing after an exhausting workout. It pumps the body with energy without resulting in weight gain. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.